The Law Revision, Penalties in Criminal Matters, Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2015 seeks to amend laws to remove all references to the mandatory death penalties prescribed by the laws and to restrict its application to the most serious crimes by converting the maximum penalties prescribed in the laws into imprisonment for life. MPs argued that the mandatory death penalties are inconsistent with the Constitution.
In 2009, there was a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of Uganda to the effect that mandatory death penalty is unconstitutional.
Today, lawmakers on the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee also discussed the contents of this bill, which says that the decision on the death penalty will be left to the judge's discretion to enforce.
Discretionary death penalty for the rarest of the rare, and the rarest of the rare are these five. Then you look at the scale of punishment. The crimes that come after this cannot have the same punishment.
The effect of the bill being considered by the Parliamentary Committee on Legal and Parliamentary Affairs is to abolish mandatory death penalty and substitute it with either discretionary death penalty or life imprisonment. That is the debate we are having, and I believe at the end of this scrutiny we shall table our report to Parliament, and Parliament will be in a position to take a decision on either discretionary death penalty or life imprisonment.
The Attorney General Fred Rohindi said the government maintains its stand on the death penalty.
So don't, when you are talking about the international sense, okay, view it in our own context. I'm telling you, and that's the biggest serious review we ever had here in Uganda, which gave rise to the 1995 Constitution. And what happened is that the people said that death penalty should be retained.
The Attorney General said there are particular cases that cannot be let go with a pardon. The committee will soon submit its report to be debated by Parliament. More research all NTV and Parliament.